Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Measure and combine dry ingredients first. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tsp baking powder, 1/2 tsp baking soda, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoon melted butter until smooth. Pour liquids into the dry mix and stir gently. Small lumps are fine. For add-ins, fold in 1/2 cup berries or 2 tablespoon chocolate chips at the end to avoid overworking the batter and making pancakes tough. Gently mix the batter until just combined. Resist the urge to overmix because that creates tough pancakes by developing gluten. The batter should be thick but pourable. If it looks too thick, thin with up to 2 tablespoons additional milk. Let the batter rest 5 minutes. This hydrates the flour and yields a lighter crumb. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat or about 350 degrees F surface temperature and lightly grease with oil or butter before cooking each pancake. Scoop about 1/4 cup batter for each pancake to make roughly 4-inch pancakes that cook evenly. Preheat the pan to medium, near a 350 degrees F surface temperature, and grease lightly with oil or butter before each batch. Pour batter, watch for bubbles and set edges, and cook about 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden. Transfer cooked pancakes to a plate and keep warm in a 200 degrees F oven while you finish the batch. Serve immediately with butter, syrup, or toppings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.